Welcome to Creo Tutorials. In this tutorial we will cover the rectangle command. So we have to click the new tab and we go to sketch mode and OK. Here we can see the rectangle command just below the line command. When I click the arrow, we have 4 types of rectangle: corner, slanted, center, parallelogram. So first we select the corner rectangle. In this rectangle we have to select first point and second point of the rectangle, like opposite point of the rectangles. Okay, so I select the first point here. After that I drag my mouse. We can see here our rectangle is being formed, and we have to select the second point. Select here. Okay, to exit out just hit the roller once again. Okay, now I can change the dimensions here. I double click here and suppose I want this value is 10 and this value I want 7.5 and press enter. In this way we can make the corner rectangle. After that we have the rectangle is slanted, which is used to create inclined rectangle. So to make the inclined rectangle, first I undo this. Here we have undo, then select the slanted rectangle. Now we have to select the first point. After that we can make this inclined here over second point here, and now we have to select its third point. Drag the mouse and select the third point and press escape. Now we can change its dimensions, just like this value and this value. Okay, whichever we wanted, we can change its values by double click on it. After that, the next rectangle we have center rectangle. This type of rectangle is really useful in making our drawings because it creates this symmetric rectangle to a center line. Just like I select this center rectangle, we have to select the center of the rectangle. After that we have to select the second point. Okay, so our length and width are proportionally increase or decrease. I select the second point and press the escape. Now I select this value. Suppose I want to make it 5. So our rectangle is now symmetric to this center point. The distance of this left side and on the right side is always be. So this is the advantage of the center rectangle. In the last we have the parallelogram. We all know about parallelogram. The opposite sides are parallel to each other. So select the parallelogram. We have to select first point, second point. Now we can make the lines parallel. We can see the sign here, sign of parallel here, and select the second point and enter. Okay, now change the dimension which we wanted. So this is our angle value. We can change the angle, like I want this 135, press enter, and we can zoom in here. This is how the rectangle command is used in Creo parametric software.